The coast of southern Mexico was rattled today by a powerful earthquake that triggered a tsunami alert for Pacific coastlines along Central America. The United States Geological Survey said the quake had a preliminary magnitude of 7.4 and struck around 11:29 in the morning Eastern Time, 7 miles west of Santa Maria Zapotitlan, Mexico. The earthquake had a depth of about 20 miles and was centered along the Pacific coast of Oaxaca state. Near the resort of Huatulco. The quake was felt in Guatemala and throughout South and Central Mexico. The National Weather Service's Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said that hazardous tsunami waves from the quake are possible within 620 miles of the epicenter, along the Pacific coasts of Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras. The PTWC said that those located in threatened coastal areas should stay alert for information and follow instructions from national and local authorities. Officials said that while a tsunami threat exists for parts of the Pacific located closer to the epicenter, there is no threat for Hawaii or the U.S. West Coast. Power was knocked out to some areas in Mexico, but there were no immediate reports of injuries. Images posted to social media showed damage to some buildings in the Oaxaca state. The quake along the coast was strong enough to be felt in central and southern Mexico, swaying buildings in Mexico City and sending thousands into the streets. Seismic alarms sounded mid-morning with enough warning for residents to exit buildings, according to the Associated Press. Helicopters flew over downtown Mexico City and police patrols sounded their sirens. The region is the location of most of Earth's subduction zones, where oceanic plates slide under the lighter continental plates. Earthquakes tend to happen when those plates scrape or subside underneath each other, and when that happens at sea it can spawn tsunamis.
Bueno, David, sí, a ver, ¿qué informes tienes? Ningún daño al momento. A ver, repíteme. ¿Tienes información de Oaxaca, Chiapas, Guerrero, la Ciudad de México, la Ciudad de México? Sí, sí. Bueno, Estado de México, Puebla, Morelos, Bueno, estoy aquí con el general, con el almirante y con Alfonso Durazo. Cualquier cosa nos informas, aquí estamos en Palacio. Son exactamente las 11 de la mañana. Se confirma que fue de 7.5 la magnitud. El mayor el año pasado fue, no te escuché al final, el mayor del año pasado 6.5, ahora fue 7.5. Afortunadamente no tenemos daños. De todas maneras vamos a seguir llamando a que se actúe con precaución por réplicas y que nos cuidemos todos sin angustiarnos, sin la desesperación. Un abrazo. Nos vemos, David. Adiós.